free every moment. Is tomorrow's conflicts, just enjoy the moment. Make the most of life. Catch the end zone, flow into the beat. Unexpected surprises make life so sweet. There's no time for worries, just enjoying the ride. Every moment, savoring the vibe. Dancing through the rhythm like there's no tomorrow. From highs to lows, I'm embracing the sadness. Life is full of twists and turns, you know it's true. But when unexpected surprises arise, I pray